देखो इन्वेस्टर बनना आसान है, इनफैक्ट काफ़ी आसान है। ऑल यू नीड इज अ सूट विथ सूट्स ऑन यू एंड ढेर सारे पैसे, इतने पैसे कि तुम स्टार्टअप्स के ऊपर पैसों की बारिश कर सको। एंड फाइनली अ टेड टॉक एंड नाउ यू आर फाइनली एन इन्वेस्टर। वेल नो, things aren't that easy as they seem. Hey everyone, Anirudh Sharma this side, aka Firehawks. So in this video we'll be discussing how to be an investor and 5 myths about angel investing. To be precise, investor बनने से पहले जानना जरूरी है कि investor होता क्या है. What does he do? What's his roles and responsibilities? And what are the sectors he look up to? And all of that. So in simple words, investor is someone who invests his or her money into something to get a return out of it. Exceptions are always there. This return can be in any form, मेजरली मॉनिटरी रिटर्न्स। इस इन्वेस्टर कैप के अंदर सभी इन्वेस्टर कवर हो जाते हैं, बीट अ स्टॉक मार्केट इन्वेस्टर, बीट अ क्रिप्टो इन्वेस्टर, बीट अ एंजल इन्वेस्टर एटसेट्रा। बट जब हम स्पेशली एंजल इन्वेस्टर की बात करें तो एंजल इन्वेस्टर इज समवन हु इन्वेस्ट और बैक्स द स्टार्टअप इन इट्स अर्ली स्टेज व्हेन दे आर जस्ट स्टार्टिंग अप, मोस्टली सीड प्रीसीड राउंड। मेजरली दीज इन्वेस्टमेंट्स आर डन फॉर इक्विटी बेनिफिट्स. So when a startup grows, investor enjoys the premium. It's not much different from तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा, या फिर तुम मुझे पैसे दो मैं तुम्हें अच्छे रिटर्न दे सकता हूँ. Notice the words दे सकता हूँ. There's a possibility, not a confirmation. Some of the famous angel investors are Jitin Gupta of Jupiter, Dr. Malpani of Malpani Ventures, Rajesh Sone of GSF, Kunal Shah from CRED, Shekhar Sharma from Paytm, and many more. In fact, तुम भी. Since it's November, it's a starting of and. Well, I'm talking about no nonsense November. So let's burst some of the myths about angel investing. Myth number 1. You need lot of money to invest in a startup. Well, to answer this, you don't need lot of money or big amount of money to invest in startups, but you definitely need big brain to invest in startups. Generally, you can have 15-20,000 to 3-4 lakhs to invest in a startup. But this makes a barrier for lot of people. Because of the fear of losing that amount of money. बहुत सारे लोग इसी वजह से इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर पाते, because they fear of losing money. Let's take an example. If you want to invest in startup, then minimum amount I would say it's a 1 lakh rupees, and to a first time investor, taking risk for that 1 lakh of money is a pretty tough decision to take. I have a solution for this. Pepcorns. Pepcorns allows you to invest in startups starting from just 1,000 rupees. And what I think, if you are watching this video, then you must be having a phone and an active internet connection. Then I think you can easily afford 1,000 rupees. Investment through Pepcorns starts from 1,000 rupees and can go up to your pocket limits. अब हर कोई इन्वेस्ट कर सकता है, एक कॉलेज गोइंग स्टूडेंट से लेके एक हाई अर्निंग इंडिविजुअल तक. नाउ व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? लिंक इन डिस्क्रिप्शन, साइन अप नाउ. एंड हाँ, इन्वेस्टमेंट इन स्टार्टअप्स आर सब्जेक्ट टू मार्केट रिस्क. रीड ऑल द रिलेटेड डॉक्यूमेंट्स केयरफुली. मिथ नंबर 2. इन्वेस्टमेंट इन स्टार्टअप्स मतलब ग्रेट रिटर्न्स. वेल, इतना भी इजी नहीं है. इट्स नॉट ट्रू. Like everything, this too comes with pros and cons. हर सिक्के के दो पहलू होते हैं. If you are investing somewhere, just expect to lose it all. Or I can say, invest only that amount that you can afford to lose. That's the right approach towards investing. Not just in startups, but anywhere. But for startups, you should definitely follow this rule. Because it's a high risk, high return game. कोई भी startup beginning से लेकर unicorn बनने तक multiple stages से गुजरता है. So you'll have to be a little patient. Because fear of losing money might give you an stress. So use a fucking brain and rock it. Myth number 3. Angel investors looks for profit. Well, ये somewhat true है, somewhat false है, क्योंकि कोई भी investor या fintech कोई भी startup में तभी invest करता है when they see profitability and innovative idea as well. But if we talk about VC firms, they usually invest in that idea which is easy to scale up and can multiply their investment. Or we can say ऐसा idea जो जल्द से जल्द unicorn बन सकता है. As per data by Invest India, इंडिया में 107 यूनिकॉर्न्स है currently. This implied on businesses. इसी की वजह से बहुत सारे बिजनेस क्वालिफाई नहीं कर पाते VC फंडिंग के लिए. And to solve this problem, fintechs and angel investors came in the game to back the startups in their initial stage. Usually this funding is not done focusing on to be unicorn, but to get a risk adequate return out of it. Myth number 4. Only tech startups are best for investing. It's not true at all. However, we can't deny the fact that tech startups are easy to scale up as compared to non-tech startups. But if you see startups around us, every startup is one way or another is connected with tech. be it a delivery app like Blinkit, Zapto, be it a stock trading app like Zerodha, Grow, Upstock, etc. It would be best if your interested startup is connected with tech. This too will be great if your startup is solving a problem at the ground level. Myth number 5. Bangalore based startups are great. To bust this myth, I would say this isn't true. Because Bangalore के बाहर के startups भी अच्छे perform कर रहे हैं. Bangalore is basically a Silicon Valley of India. It is suitable for startups because Bangalore में startup के शुरू होने से लेके फंडिंग मिलने से लेके यूनिकॉर्न बनने तक जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं सब कुछ अवेलेबल है टू केटर योर नीड्स. दैट्स व्हाई फाउंडर प्रेफर बैंगलोर. लेकिन बैंगलोर के बाहर भी अच्छे परफॉर्मिंग स्टार्टअप्स हैं लाइक एको, ड्रीम11, कूलबर्ग, फार्मेजी एटसेट्रा. सो मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी इज योर प्लेस ऑफ द स्टार्टअप डजंट मैटर. ओनली मैटर्स इज what problem they are solving and how they are gonna make money out of it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you follow us right now. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Drop your favorite part, drop your favorite lesson that you learned from this video, and see you in the next video. Till then, have a nice day.